guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite baby girl, Happiness Empire, your senior daughter in the building. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. How you all doing? Hope you guys are fine. Yeah, happy Sunday. Yeah, that is my name and that of my husband, so just like happy Sunday. So guys, how you all doing? Yeah, welcome back. We are back again. Yeah, this time please, I want your support, guys. This time I'm really serious. I need your support, please. I beg of you. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a very detailed makeup on for beginners. Yeah, for beginners we are going to be giving a lot of details from our upcoming YouTubers, our upcoming artists, yeah, makeup artists who are out there learning how to do their makeup. Yeah, so welcome back, guys. Well, you see my hair, this I'm going to be using it today without any wig or anything on it. No, I'm just going to be using my hair today. Yeah, how you all doing, guys? Hope you guys are fine. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's just get right into it. So guys, yeah, actually I went on a short break, yeah, because I came back the last time to just like speak about how my views are going, because the way I wanted my views to at least add up is not the way it's actually going. So that is what, and I'm just kind of tired, or rather frustrated, so I just have to take a break, and then I'm here. We are going to be doing our thing, isn't it? Yeah. So now I'm going to be doing my brows. So as for, if you're a beginner, you need an eyebrow pencil, carved very sharp, and you need the eyebrow brush, yes, to comb your brows. Then let's draw the brow first, and then I'll show you the remaining things you are going to be needing. And if you want to draw your brow, you make sure you want to take it to the shape of your brow, like you draw it to the shape of your brow. So you see that, then you come to the other side. So all you want is your flat brush to clean your brows, and your concealer, depending on the type you have. Mine is Massimo Conceal Coverage Melt 2-in-1. So this is what I'm having, and you want to use the shape, like the shape of your concealer, or you want to use a little bit lighter than your shade. Well, as for me, I'm taking this a little bit dark. I don't know why it's if you see it's darker than the upper side, which is this side, so I'm taking that one. So now you have to, let me shape it a little bit closer. Okay, so now you want to go straight to your brow. I'm using a mirror, that's why I'm looking down. Okay, so just going to remove that white line. So now you want to take your concealer and your primer. So yeah, I have Babe Skin. The rest is written in French too. So I've been using this for God know how long, and it's good for me. So I'm just going to use it to prime my eye so that I will get exactly the color of eye look I want. So I wipe off the concealer I applied earlier. I just wipe it off and apply this. So now, in here I have my eyeshadow. So this one is a melt eyeshadow, and this one also, I think this one, and that's this one. So this 1 2 3 4 is the shimmer eyeshadow. So this 1 2 3 4, while the rest here and one here are matte eyeshadow. So the 4 here is a shimmer eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be going in with this one right here. Just take it as my transition shade, because you don't want to use a shimmer shade while, let me say, if you use that, it's not going to be good for you. It's going to mess everything up. So you want to start, you don't want to start from here, rather you want to start from your eye, your crease, from your crease. So you just have to take it this way and blend all through. So you need a fluffy brush like this to be able to blend your eyelid, like your your eyeshadow. So still going to take that shade again, then go to the other side of the eye. So while applying that, you want to switch to another brush, and then going to take this yellow shade. Here. So I'm using matte eyeshadow throughout. Okay. And then this one, you go a little bit upper than the dark brown shade you applied before. You want to blend everything together. So now I want to go in with this shade right here, because I don't want it to be too dark. Just something natural, simple but elegant, to make it look beautiful. So I'm actually using that shade at the outer corner of my, is it outer or inner corner of my eye? I don't know. Apply it on this side, to make that place pop. Give it that popping heart. So now I'm going to be switching to a new palette and think I'm going to be taking this shade right here, also a nude, so I'm going in with those pink. Yeah, so just tap that, tap that. So just like those. And one thing you have to know is that so guys, I'm through with the highs as I said before, but then I wasn't through totally, but now I think I'm through because I have my lashes on. Yeah, so now I'm going to be applying my foundation on my face, just a little, because a little goes a long way with this foundation, kind of thick, you know. So this is what I have, just a little. You see, that's why I said a little goes a long way. So now I'm just going to be contouring my cheek. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Yeah, I think my neck is okay. Don't mind this sound. Actually, because I normally dip my hand inside her water a lot, so that's why I'm having this dark knuckles and whatever. So I'm going to be sorting it out. Yeah, it's even much better than before now because I limit, dipping my hand inside water. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you like it and hope you learn a lot, like you learn something from this makeup tutorial. Yeah, that's it guys. Yeah. Thank you guys. I love you all. Bye bye.